In today's digital age, faceless YouTube channels are a goldmine for creators seeking to entertain and educate without showing their faces. Whether it's due to privacy concerns or the appeal of anonymity, these channels focus on content quality and innovative storytelling across various topics. From animated explainers that make complex subjects accessible to mystery narrations that delve into the intriguing unknown, the possibilities are endless. Other popular ideas include relaxation sounds for those seeking calm, educational content that simplifies learning, and video game walkthroughs filled with expert tips. However, creating content for faceless channels comes with its challenges such as script writing, editing, and scheduling posts. That's where AutoShorts.ai comes in. Imagine a tool that automates your content creation process, from generating scripts to creating background images and adding voiceovers. AutoShorts.ai acts like your 24/7 content creation team, helping you grow and monetize your channel effortlessly. So if you're looking to dive into the world of faceless YouTube channels, AutoShorts.ai could be your key to unlocking a world of creativity and opportunity.